All right, next it says install on toilet and adjust to a suitable position. All right, so I guess we're going to put it here. Here. I'm going to have to put the camera down for this because I don't want this falling in. Actually, can I put it here? There we go. All right. So please install this. So on top, I'm pretty much installing these. I think that's to hold the toilet seat into play. And then that would go, no, that's wrong. All right, so I'd imagine these have to go on first. No! Oh, I dropped it. Oh, no. Okay, well, I dropped it. Oh, technically it's clean water. It's clean. I cleaned the toilet. I cleaned it. I cleaned the toilet. All right, so God bless. Where's the towel? Oh, there's the towel. Flynn, are you supervising? This is my dog Flynn supervising. All right, so this went here. That went underneath. So we're gonna have to put this here to have it go here and install it that way, which means this is going to have to go here, and then this is going to have to go here. This is going to go here, goes this way, and then I got to screw it in down here. All right, I think we're all aces. All right, so screwing that in. We'll tighten it in a little bit. But there we go. So that takes care of that one. And I guess this allows me to slide it over. Oh, look at that. I can slide it over. Ah, yeah, you're learning something new. All right, and then we're going to do the other one. Guess the same way. We're not going to drop this one in the toilet. All right, and we're going to go underneath and screw it on. How's everyone's day going? Going good? Good. All right. So almost there, almost screwed in. All right, well, that's how it goes. So now we gotta tighten it. Make sure these are straight. I'm just going to tighten it, flip it the other way. We don't want to over tighten it because we don't want to strip the bearings. Oh, there we go. All right. So I think that is good. All right, so that takes care of that. And then we're going to put the toilet seat back on, which goes here, and then clips. All right, there we go. All right. I think it's a little crooked, but you know what? Nothing ventured, nothing gained. All right, that takes care of that. All right, up next, you got this right here. Let's see if I can show you guys. So right over here, I got to install it so it connects. So my finger's out of the way. So this is going to connect to the tank. This is going to connect to the hose down here, and then this is going to connect to the bidet. So let's go ahead and install it. I'll move it over here a little bit so you can kind of see. All right, so we're going to put it here, and I'm going to screw that bad boy in. Not too tight, but tight enough. All right, so that takes care of that. Put this back on. Whoop, not right. Make sure it's even. There we go. All right, that takes care of that one. Tighten this bad boy. All right, take care of that. All right. All right, so I think that's good. So, hang tight. All right, so the bidet connector, that's where it's going to go to connect to the bidet. That is the old hose, connects to this. I really hope it's not leaking because it's wet, and that's not good. That's pushed out a little bit. I don't see any water coming from there, but you know, we'll cross that bridge when it gets there. So we're going to connect this to the bidet, turn on the water, and hope for the best. Hang tight. All right, so let's go ahead and connect right down here. So it connects. There we go. All right, so that's good to go. And this will go over here, underneath the starlight. You guys ever seen Coyote Ugly? It's a pretty good movie. Can't Fight the Moonlight. That's the song I was thinking of. All right, so we're gonna install this. And I'm only breathing heavy. I'm not out of shape. I'm breathing heavy because I'm near a toilet. And no other reason. So, install this. All right. That should be good. All right. All right, so we got it connected. It's right there to there. Let's turn back on the water and hope for the best. Go ahead and open this up. All right. Turning on the water now. All right, so that kicked everything back in. Go ahead and get the tank up. You can see the water filling back up. Let's go ahead and look for any leaks in case I messed up. Okay, hissing at me. Doesn't look like there's any leaks. The pipe's still wet. That could be from earlier. Looks like, all right, toilet water's filling back up. Nothing from the bidet is leaking, so that's good. So, I don't know if you guys ever had a bidet. It's supposed to shoot water either near or up your butt. I don't actually know. But I'm going to assume that's like spraying the butt. And I'm going to assume, I don't know what that is. But we're going to assume I don't need to use that one. And that's obviously the off button. So, you got the water filling it up. That's the water line. It says water line on there. You can see the water shooting in. It's actually filling up the tank right now. So, it doesn't look like there's any leaks. Looks like I screwed everything on correctly. And then we'll turn it on when it fills back up. Also, I had a leftover piece. I'm not quite sure what this is. I'm sure someone in the comments could tell me what this is. It feels like, I don't even know what it is. But actually, I can look it up real quickly because we got the instructions. It is a thread sealer. That seems important. All right, well, yeah, well, we're done with the instructions anyways. All right. All right, so we're going to go ahead and flush it. All right, toilet seems to be working. Everything seems good. Water's filling back up. I really hope I didn't install this upside down. Pretty sure. Okay, we're going to... Oh, no! Ah, stop, turn off! Alright, so... So it shoots water, apparently. I knew that was going to happen, but I didn't know it was going to... I know it shoots water to you. It's a learning experience. Alright, so we're going to close the toilet, and we're going to see what it does. Flynn, were you supervising? My dog left. He didn't want to see that. Yeah, so I got shot with water. Clean water, by the way, because you can technically drink that. But yeah. Also, I'm wearing It's Me Hi or Hi Me. No, it's Me Hi. I'm the husband. It's me. In case anyone know, I'm a big Taylor Swift fan. I love Tay. Go Chiefs. All right, so the bidet works. We're gonna go and put the toilet seat down, and all right, okay. Put this down so don't get hit again. I think that was the problem. I think I didn't have this toilet seat down. So we're gonna start with this. So apparently it shoots out of here. I didn't know that. So we're gonna go with the 1. All right, so that's missed. Ah! I did it again. All right, well, we're going to assume it works because it obviously works because I keep getting wet. All right, and that is how you install a bidet. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know how I did. Let me know if it helps you out. Obviously, I made a few mistakes, but hey, it worked. So if you need more advice, let me know, and I'll tell you how to do it incorrectly, but have a good time doing it. Thank you for sticking around. You guys have a great rest of your day. I'm going to go shower because I'm covered in toilet water. All right, this is Officer Gatorman Jones signing off.